Okay, dear students, this is chapter number 6, binomial expansion, lecture number 1. And in this chapter, we will first discuss the Pascal triangle. The Pascal was actually a mathematician who invent a triangle to solve a complicated expansion. For example, the expansion before this, we have learned that if we have x plus y power 1, how can we expand this? This is exactly equal to x power 1 plus y power 1. Then if I have the x plus y power 2, then how can I expand this? We have already learned the formula for this x plus y whole square. The first basic algebraic identity is that is equal to x square plus 2xy and plus y square. Similarly, this if this would become x plus y whole cube, then how can we expand this? This is not an easy job, not an easy to create a formula for this. So what we actually do, we just write x plus y, and then we multiply x plus y and x plus y whole square. We expand this according to this formula, and then we multiply x plus y. So up to then if I have x plus y whole power 4 or x plus y whole power 5, then how can we expand this whole power 4, 5, 6, or 7, even 8, 9, 10? Then this would become a little complicated for if I have x plus y whole power 10. So remember one thing, the bar will be open like this. This is called the coefficient 2. So the power or order of x and y, the first x power x plus y whole power 5, this can be, the sequence should be written like this. First we write x power 5 plus, there is some coefficient or some constant like 2 here. So, so do we have some coefficient here, while the order of power can be written like this. This would become the second term x power 4 and y power 1, while plus again some coefficient, then this would become x power 3 and y square. It is the decreasing order of x and increasing order of y. So then this would become x power 2 and y power 3. So just I do not leave a space. So first leave a space for coefficient x square and y cube. Then plus leave a space for coefficient, then x and y power 4, plus leave a space for coefficient, then x power 0 would become 0, while y power 5. The first and last, first we write x power 5, and the last of all the y power 5. The other terms are like this in the decreasing order of x while increasing order of y. Then the other another problem was that how to find the coefficient of this sequence, or the coefficient of the first and last term. We always know that that would be 1. That would be 1 like this. The coefficient of first and last term, that would be 1. But how can we know the coefficient of the second, third, fourth, and fifth term? That for this purpose, the Pascal defined a triangle. Triangle was like this: x plus y whole power 1. The coefficient of both terms would be 1. Then the x plus y power 2. Then the coefficient order of 1, and we add these two. 1 plus 1, this would become 2, like this. At the end, there is always 1, 1, 2, 1. So first write down the very next, we write 1 here. 1 plus 2 would become 3, and 2 plus 1 would become 3. And here we write 1 because at the end of the x power n and y power n, there is always 1. So again, this is for x power 3. For x power 4, there always be 1 at the 3 plus 1 would become 4, 3 plus 3 becomes 6, 3 plus 1, 4, while at the end of this sequence, it would be 1. For x power 5, this always 1 here, 1 plus 4, 5, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 4 become 10, 4 plus 1, 5. So at the end of the sequence, there would be 1. So in this way, so here we were expanding x plus y power 5, 1, and the very next expression you can write 5 here, while the next is 10. So the very next is 10. So the very next is 5. At the end is 1. So in this way, you can expand. Okay, if I'm interested to expand the x power 6. So you have to make a triangle for x power 6. At the end of the sequence, at the beginning and end, there would be always 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Like this. 5 plus 10, 15. Like this. 10 plus 10 would become 20. Write down in middle. 10 plus 10, 20. 10 plus 5, 15. Always in middle. This is like then 5 plus 1 is 6. And then at the end is 1. So in this way, you can expand the expression if there is any x plus y whole power 6. So similarly, 7, you can find 7, 10, and 8 always. So just look at this. If I have to expand the sequence of x plus y, or just to take a question that I have to expand x plus 2y whole power 6. How can I expand this? Just replace y with 2y. So there is no change except you have to put 2y instead of y. If there is negative 2y, then you have to put negative 2y instead of y. So look at this. How can we expand this? First, I take x power 6 plus leave a space for coefficient. Then x power 5 while multiply by 2y. Where I write y only, now I have to write 2y because it is replaced with 2y. Plus, leave a space for coefficient, then x power 4, then 2y power 2. Then plus, leave a space for coefficient, x cube 2y whole cube. Then plus, leave a space for coefficient, x square, and then 2y power 4, then plus x, and then 2y power 5, and then plus x power would become 0, then there is only 2 coefficient and 2 y power 6. So how can we put x coefficient from this? We have already make a Pascal triangle for x plus y whole power 6. So this would become 1. And the next is 6, 15, 20, 15. Here should be 15, 20 should be 15, 6, and 1. And after that, expand this by using calculator. This would become x power 6 plus 6 multiplied by 2, 10, 10 x power 5 into y plus 2y square would become 4y square, and 4 into 15, 60, x power 4 y square plus this would become 20x cube, and 2y is 8. When you take cube of 2, this 8 into 20 would become 80 and 160, x cube y cube plus 15 into 2 power 8 is 4 is equal to 16. 16 into, when you multiply 16 into 15, just use a calculator and multiply 16 into 15. 16 multiply by 15. So this would become to 40. So you can write to 40. So x square while x square and y power 4, and plus some other terms of the sequence 6, and this would become 2 power 5, 32, and multiply by 6, 6 2 times 12, 1 carry 6, 3 times 18, and this would become 192 x y power 5 plus expand this would 2 power 6 is 64 and y power 6. So this is actually the x power y whole x plus 2y whole power 6 expansion according to Pascal triangle. And similarly, we can expand the expression x minus 2y whole power 7 like this. If I replace this 2 minus 3x whole power 6, then you can expand this by using just a Pascal triangle and same coefficient thing, uh, that you just replace x with 2 while y with minus 3x. How? If I expand just only 1 to 2 terms. So first you will write 2 power 6, then put plus, and then open a leave a space for coefficient 2 power 5, and this would become now y, where we replace 2y. Now I have to write minus 3x. So shift this negative sign with second number. There is no other change on this sequence 3y. So plus, leave a space for coefficient and 2 power 4, and then minus 3x power 2 plus, leave a space for coefficient 2 power 3 and minus 3x power 3. So in this way, plus up to so on, you can find the other terms of the sequence. How can you put the coefficient of the sequence? By using Pascal triangle. And I tell you how to make a Pascal triangle.